Okay, so we've just walked from the other side of town now back to our hotels. I can see our Scandic hotel, but we're gonna take the crossing, which, can we cross now? There's nothing coming. We're gonna cross to where everyone is and where Robert is crossing. So we're gonna go, we're walking towards Mum's hotel. We're gonna quickly just have a quick sort of runny thing before, I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just talking about gibberish.
Yeah, you're gibberish.
I'm pretty out of it actually. Okay, so we're walking now down the street. We might, yeah, if we go down one of these streets on the left, I can show you where the whatever is, because that's it. I walked that way with the coffee shop, be down one of these streets. So yeah, we're on our way. We're gonna go find Deb. And yeah, the town's alive.
That's awesome.
Wednesday night, everything's alive.
Yeah, I think it's like late night shopping on
It's Wednesday, right. Good to know.
The museums were open longer and stuff, so
Till
I think
8.
Wednesday night. Does it make sense? Wednesday night was small.
Oh, is it? Yeah, that's right. I remember when we started dating, you were always like, come over Wednesday night, we have small Saturday. I was like, I don't know what that is, but it sounds good. Alright. It will be the next sort of one. Hey Bear, you having fun? Welcome to Sweden.
Yeah, welcome to Stockholm.
Stockholm. Yeah. Tomorrow, Göteborg. Hey dog. Hey, hey. Alright, so we found Debro at the hotel. We're gonna go back to Vapiano. How's it? Vapiano. And then we're gonna
play piano.
Vapiano, have pasta and food and everything. Devon Bear's back there.
glass of wine
Faffy's
again.
right here. I'm here.
Let's have
It's
red
time
wine
to eat.
tonight.
Let's go inside. Let's go. Vapiano. You can use anything you want.
One of these
Alright.
tracks in here.
So we just left Vapino, and it was great. How'd you think? Was it good, Daddy?
What was good daddy? I'm always a good
What's it
daddy.
called? Vapino.
Vapiano.
Vapiano. We
Yeah,
just left
there's no piano player there,
Vapiano.
though. They call it Vapiano.
And yeah, we're now gonna go back to the hotel, drop Fatty and Debro back to Grand Central,
About Kim Sting.
and then ask about Kim Sing, and then go to bed because I'm tired.
What's chemistry?
Oh, she
Yeah,
left.
so-
Craig left the
Happy birthday, hey
Oh.
door, Hummel bra, hey.
in the
Hey.
socket.
Day 3 in Stockholm, and is Sarah having fun? Sarah's got a very calm morning. We got up, had breakfast, got coffee, chilled. It's been a really good cruisy morning, so it's really good. I'm very happy. Now to get to Gothenburg, I think we get the train, we get everyone, get Deb, get Dad, get them all ready, get on the train, out the door, hopefully. I don't know. It will work. Maybe. Got the train tickets, that's the biggest thing, so yeah. Alright, well we're off. We'll get ready now and duck off, so yeah. Good morning, I'll take you on a quick tour of our hotel room. This is the bed. This is the TV. This is the desk. This is Sarah. This is the mirror. This is the door. This is the something else, Sarah, Nobblies, bathroom, toilet, bathroom things. That's our hotel room.
No window is what he wants to
No
say.
window. Hey dork. Alright, so we're just leaving Scandic. It was
Yep.
really good. I enjoyed
good.
it.
Thank
It was a
you.
good. Oh, thanks,
Rosie.
Heinz. It was a really good hotel. Really minimal complaints. Just a bit chilly the first night and no window. That's it. Everything about it was
I knew
amazing.
there was a no window room. Or I
Every-
knew, and I told you.
Everything
you forgot
about it was amazing.
But it was a good experience.
I'd definitely go back again. The roof deck was amazing. I think the whole place was just perfect. It was a
And
really
you
good
slept.
experience.
You had no clue what time in the
I
morning
know,
it
I
was
woke
when
up
you
at
woke up.
5 and it was just absolutely throwy. I'm like, I don't know what day it is. But no, it was great. I'd highly recommend it. So yeah, off to go get Deb from Espresso House and Robert. That's where they're at.
Have a fika there and then
Yeah.
go.
So I'll see you
Still have
soon.
an hour before we need to go to the track.
Hey door.
Hey da.
Okay, so here we are at the train station. I'm eating a Danish roll. Dad's being funny. Bear's there. Debro. We sat at, we checked out of all our hotels and we've been sitting at the coffee house for the last hour and a bit. Mum's been there longer.
Yeah, she's a coffee freak.
And yeah, we're just sort of chilling around waiting for the train to get to Gothenburg now.
Yeah.
It should be here any minute. And then we're gonna go and see Heinzie Deinzie and have fika. What are we having tonight? Vampino?
I don't know, something.
Yeah, Vampinino.
Spaghetti bolognese.
No, we're having Heinz the special.
Yay! And then yeah, so we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do. So, hey door.
That's too short. We've got to go on.
Didn't have to go far. Okay, so we're just leaving Stockholm now on the train, and we're heading into
Oh, this is the
Gothenburg.
big exhibition hall.
Oh. And then we're going to go see Heinzie and have fika. So we have 3 hours on this train, and we've just left, and it's now 1:49.
Yeah, we got 14 minutes.
So we're going to have a lot of fun.
That's
Are we
it.
having fun yet?
Yeah.
We're having
We're
fun.
gonna do musical chairs.
Yeah. For the next 3.5 hours. That'll be good. I'm excited. We'll go to Heinzie's, have a fika, have dinner, sleep. Yeah, you man? You having fun, Daddy?
Yep.
Bear.
Yes, very much so.
beautiful.
And let's go. In Göteborg. Where are we, little bear?
Göteborg.
Where are we, D bro?
It's called Göteborg.
Sydney, I think.
We are in Göteborg. Next stop, Ängelholm.
Nej, inte Ängelholm.
Swedenholm.
Göteborg.
Göteborg. This is the city, this is the town. Welcome to Gothenburg. Sarah, Vera, Robert, and Deb somewhere back here. We have got to rush all the way to the other track, the other side of the train station. Get on the connecting one because we are extremely late. And then, yeah, I'm excited.
They kept pointing out the reason we're late is because someone who's not authorized was on the tracks between two Stockholm stations.
But that has nothing to do with us. So,
So that's why we're late.
thanks.
They definitely didn't have any problems at all.
So we're having fun now.
I had to turn off the power and stop all the trains for 10 minutes because 10 or 15 minutes because someone was running around on the tracks.
Someone is right. And I loved breathing in all that smoke.
I know.
Yeah, prick.
Lovely, right? Alright, so it will go from one of the further away tracks.
Yeah, we'll just go straight there. Alright. Having fun, Fatty? You remember all this? Right. Höger. Sara, höger.
Yeah.
And vänster.
No vänster.
Train up here.
Höger. Yeah, you caught a train here once.
I was getting two.
Yeah. It was great. Alright. We left here, so we've done a full circle, Bear.
Full
Alright.
circle for this little trip.
We can't go back and ask for our 4 crowns back.
Oh, I can't do that. Can't be bothered.
Alright. Which one do you reckon it is?
That one.
The end one?
The angry train, remember?
Angry train. Rah.
Öresundståg.
Oh yeah, Halmstad C. Right.
I
Do
just
we-
gotta get the ticket. Yeah?
Yeah.
But you stay with them at
Yeah.
the train. And I'd go in and pay for a ticket.
Right. Hey door. Okay, so we are now on the next train to Kungsbacka. The time is 5:26. on the 9th of May. We have 10 days until the wedding. No, 9 now. Maybe. Sarah Bear is having fun with her ticket.
Yeah, I bought the more expensive one. It's like
'Cause
25
she's
krona, like $3 more expensive.
$3 more because she's pretty. We're donating to the train station.
Maybe $4.
Debra is having
coffee.
coffee. Australian or Swedish?
Australian.
Australian. And then Fat Boy's found his little cave over there. And yeah, so we're now going to go and see Heinzie Dinzie. And
Gonna
I'm
call him
excited.
and make sure he knows we got on the train.
But I'm excited. Are you excited? Sarah's excited.
It's my
I'm just
dad.
hungry.
Me too.
Are you
Yeah, you
excited to
have
see
the bananas in there.
I ate that banana.
Ah.
How many bananas did we get?
I think I bought 5.
Good gosh, what long. Can't just live in bananas, eh? So this is Gothenburg. Welcome. Welcome to my city. It's beautiful. Oh well. Hey doors. Doors on this side.
Plan 1.
It's cute.
Hey, hey.
It's cute. He's gone to the other station. He's making us some coffee.
How does it feel being in
Kungsbacka? I have no idea. I thought it was his.
His is lift. This is your second time in Sweden.
So when lifts go up and down, they go hiss.
Hiss. Absolute. Up another lift. Up another lift. Gotta go down to go up.
Yeah.
How about that? Another lift. Why didn't we just walk across the track?
I would have.
You do, honestly.
Welcome to Sweden. Welcome to Sweden. Bye. I'll see you later next time.
We're going to hold the jam the door open. You'll have to catch this.
Where's Nate? Push the button. Bye. 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 There's Heinz.
Plan 2.
We're here. Hey, hey.
Hey.
I'm here.
Yeah, you're here.
Besides Crazy Deb.
We would have been here half an hour
How
earlier.
are you? Well,
Fine, I'm
that's
fine.
good.
It's
For
just
the
a little
delay.
bit drowsy.
We're all here.
I thought I said you'd be on the alcohol. Yeah.
We're here, man.
2 days with
Yes.
beer.
We're in Heinz.
We're all together now.
Customers,
All
colleagues.
Now we
together.
can do whatever we want again.
But when
We
you
can do
turn in-
together. There's Heinz's car. All right.
You're a silly
Let's-
boy. You sent the video to my mom.
Yeah, I know.
She's like, did anyone else do that?
Yeah, I did. All right, so we're gonna get. Sarah's gonna now play Tetris.
Tryck ner
Neråt.
och så släpp.
Hey, door.
I don't need to see alcohol.